Hello everybody and welcome to Cooking with Caffeinated Coconut. Today I'll be sharing with you my Costco chicken salad copycat recipe. Let's get started! First off, you'll need a rotisserie chicken. Feel free to use a leftover rotisserie chicken from the fridge. Today we'll be using the 2 chicken breasts off the rotisserie chicken. So start by peeling off the skin off the 2 chicken breasts. Now you can put aside the dark chicken meat for another recipe like chicken soup. Chop the 2 chicken breasts into small dice cubes and put it aside into a mixing bowl. Finally, dice a palm-sized onion into small chunks. Now do the same with the 2 stalks of celery. The next step is to measure out a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now that you have everything chopped and measured, here comes the fun part. Into the mixing bowl, add the onions, celery, sour cream, and finally the mayonnaise. Season it with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Feel free to adjust these amounts based on your own personal taste. Finally, it's the time to mix together your masterpiece. Please use a bigger bowl than I did, or else you'll have chicken salad everywhere. If you want your chicken salad to taste extra delicious, then it's time to refrigerate it overnight for a ready-to-go lunch tomorrow. This next part is totally optional, but if you want your chicken salad to look like Costco, then follow me. Find a palm-sized bowl that you can stuff the chicken salad mixture into. Scoop it into the bowl. And then press it down tight and firm. Then carefully, and I mean carefully, tip it over onto a serving plate. Now with this recipe, you should be able to serve 4 people. Unfortunately, I wasn't careful enough with this one here. Et voila! Your Costco chicken salad copycat is ready to eat. Sprinkle it with some chives or some fresh parsley to make it extra beautiful. And feel free to finish it off to taste with some ground fresh black pepper. Serve it with a warm piece of toast and bon appetit. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this.